Hello everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube. Hopefully this tutorial is good, and let's start scrambling this thing. There you go. So let's just... Has to be a good scramble, bad scramble, doesn't matter. Your cube will, no matter what, be solved. Okay, I think that was a pretty good scramble. So, yeah, it's pretty good scramble. Thank you if it is. The first thing you want to do is solve the white side. As you see, we already got a matching pair right here. And what else? We got this. So, I just matched up these two and these two. So I could just line them up like that. And boom. I'm actually solve it. Now what you want to do is have the group. You have one, you have none. So you have to solve the first layer. You'll either have the entire layer solved, you'll either have one part of the layer, or you'll have none of the layer completed. So now if you have one, face it away from you. If you have all of it, don't do this algorithm. If you have none, do it, and then you'll have one and put it away from you and do the algorithm again. So the algorithm goes right inverted, down inverted, right, left, down, left inverted, right inverted, down inverted, right. So if you had none, you'll have one and face away from you and do it again. And if you had one, the entire layer should have been solved. And if you want to see that algorithm and pause the video and look at it, it's this one right there. Okay, pause the video. Okay. Boom. Okay. So now what you want to do is flip the cube over to where the yellow side is. So you'll either have the entire yellow solved, you'll either have none, you'll have one, or one, you're gonna have one here and one there, or you're gonna have two in a line like I have. So if you have two in a line, put them at the right hand side. If you have one, put it in the bottom left corner. If you have none, just don't worry about it. And do the algorithm. So the algorithm is right, up, right inverted, up, right, up twice, right inverted. Now just continue that, and you have one bottom left corner. Right up, inverted, up, right up, twice inverted. Done. And now you'll look at the top layer. You'll have two matching colors, you'll have no matching colors, or you're gonna have the entire cube solved. Now I have one pair, so I could just match it up and face that away from you and do right. I'll show you the algorithm right now. Right inverted, front right inverted, back inverted twice. Right front inverted, right, back inverted twice, right twice, back inverted twice. If you have no matching colors, just do the algorithm and you'll have a matching pair, and then you will face that away from you and do the algorithm again, and your cube will be solved. So, I hope you enjoy the solving of the cube. Hopefully you're going to be excited if you don't know how. If you already know how, I don't know why you went in this video, so just do the algorithm. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back inverted twice, right, front inverted, right, back inverted twice, right twice, and back inverted twice. So if you had none of the same colors, you will do that again. You had it. You have one matching color, one matching pair now, and you now will place that away from you and do the algorithm again. The cube will be solved. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. I hope you enjoyed. Hopefully that helped. Just a reminder, if you know how to solve the 2x2, it's going to be easier to solve the 4x4, aka Rubik's Revenge. And if you learn how to solve the 3x3, then it's going to be easier to solve the Rubik's Professor, which is the 5x5. And then so on and so forth. And I will see you next time. Peace out.